Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to know where the spike is planted in Valorant. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your Valorant, go to your custom game and then open the game as an attacker side. Now take the spike as I did and then go ahead and plant it somewhere. So the closest place here or side is the B side, so I'm going to plant it in the B side. Let me just go over here real quick and plant it here. Before I plant it, you can see this timer over here. This timer, as long as it's appearing for you, that means that the plant has not been planted yet. So let me just plant the spike. Now, the spike has become red in here and it's appearing. That means that the spike has been planted. So that's how you can know first that the spike is planted and you are not just walking around in the map. Now, how you can know where the spike is planted? Basically, you just have to use the sound of your headset. So go to audio, make the overall volume high and sound effects high. You can remove this, remove all of these, and just keep this one. Make VOP task music, remove it as well, and make this stereo so we can know which side is coming from the voice. Now, as you can see here, I am on the A side and I don't really hear anything. Let me just pause the game real quick. So as you can see I'm here, but I don't really listen to anything. I can't really hear anything from this side. But if I want to the side, so the other side, which is the B side, you will be able to hear the text of the spike itself. So that means that you are on the correct place to actually defuse the spike. So all you need to do is go to there, kill the enemies, and then go to the spike and just defuse it. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.